Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you in this 23 plate Porsche Taycan 4S. £11,000 worth of factory options, finished in the lovely jet black metallic paintwork. This has got the Performance Plus battery, so longer range. That in itself was a very expensive option, but taking a closer look round in the front of the vehicle, you have front parking sensors on this one, full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. This will be going in our showroom, so all the lovely condition of it is all in lovely order throughout. Coming then down the driver's side, looking down the vehicle, all free from any major dents or scratches. Rear privacy glass on this one as well. Alloys wise, we're adding on the 21-inch Porsche Exclusive Taycan Design alloys. They're massive factory extra as well. Red brake calipers, but all the alloys are in lovely order. As we then come through to the rear, you've got rear parking sensors, rear reverse camera, you've got your Taycan 4S lettering there on the back. Full electric tailgate, so you just press the button, effortlessly glides up like so. Loads of luggage space in the back, 60/40 split folding rear seats. You have a 12-volt power outlet, you've got the charging cable there as well as your home start charger as well. And to close the boot, you just press the button and effortlessly glides down like so. Coming then down the passenger side, again, condition wise, it is all in lovely order throughout, no signs of any major scratches or dents all over the vehicle. And then same with the alloy wheels, they're all in fantastic order as well. They also had a benefit of this car as well, it has also got the fixed panoramic glass roof, which again is a high cost option and a lovely feature to have. When I jump into the rear, full perforated leather interior with a contrast white stitch, as fixed in the back, rear centre armrest, comfortable seating for two, and then all the backs of the seats are in lovely order as well. When I'm jumping into the front of the vehicle, genuine Porsche tailored floor mats all around. You've got your Taycan 4S lettering on your kick plates, 4 electric windows, electric Powerfold mirrors, electric front seats, which again are all in lovely order for both driver and passenger. And then again, like I said, condition wise, all in lovely order again. When I'm jumping inside, we'll turn the vehicle all on. So the full digital cockpit, which again is fully customizable. You can change the display on this side, same with the right side. Satellite navigation is in the middle, and then as we're doing the video today, the vehicle has only covered 33,119 miles, which is absolutely nothing. Air suspension and then sport suspension as well, so you can set it in sport or sport plus, and then that will raise or higher the vehicle. Cruise and limit control as well on this one. You've got auto lights as well, and then again the steering wheel is all in lovely condition as well. And then coming through to the multimedia screen, all touch screen, so you've got full satellite navigation, full DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Your reverse camera is displayed like so as well, full Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, but again all in lovely order. Digital climate control, heated front seats. You can deploy the boot and the front compartment with the button there, but again, like I said, front cup holders and a lovely front centre armrest, but again all in lovely order throughout. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.